i'r gyfres lle dyn ni'n edrych yn ôl dros wersi cariad at iaith y llynedd. Helo, rwan ta, beth am mynd i fynd yn syth i'r stafell ddosbarth? We'll go straight to the classroom. Ac maen nhw wedi bod yna ers 5 diwrnod. They're 5 days into the experience. Ac oedd hi'n amser ymarfer y berfau, the verbs, or the action words, yn doedd?
Ond cyn mynd at y berfau, y peth cyntaf ddigwyddodd oedd wnaethon nhw drafod Ofergoelion, Superstitions, ynglyn â chael babi. A cofiwch, mi gafodd Mia fachgen.
Iawn. Gyda'ch sgriptiau rwan. Dwi'n gwybod eich bod chi wedi edrych ar... Dyn ni wedi edrych ar y 4 dudalen gyntaf, first 4 pages, yn dydan. Chi'n hapus gyda'r rheina? Right. Beth dwi eisiau i chi wneud, iawn, ydy gyda partner, dwi eisiau chi chwilio, sganio fel hyn, right? Ac ydych chi'n gwybod beth ydy action word, okay? A verb, okay? An action word, rhywbeth fel nofio, dawnsio, rhedeg, ffonio, something you do, an action you do, iawn? So, meddyliwch yn Saesneg hefyd, to eat, to sleep, to do, to work, to dance. So, I swim, I dance, I work, I sit, I run, beth bynnag fel hyn, iawn? So, action words. So, not descriptive words, ddim pethau fel hapus, trist, enwog, dim byd fel na, dim ond yr action words, the verbs, okay?
Bad luck.
Beth oedd o?
Bird.
Oh, yeah.
Was anyone in here? Adarin.
Aderyn.
Aderin.
Ie. Na, ath e mewn?
Yeah. Is it gone out? Yeah, it's gone out.
Dim y tŷ dosbarth. Dim problem.
Be ddim yn...
Do you think so?
Yeah.
It's okay if it's in the classroom then.
Fine.
A ddoe, weles I 4 pioden, magpie, gyda'i gilydd, ar diwrnod cynt, day before, weles I 4 pioden, gyda'i gilydd, 4 of them, yn hedfan I ffwrdd, one for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for girls. Odd iawn, 2 diwrnod. Gan I weld.
Yn Saesneg neu Gymraeg?
Yn y ddau.
Y ddau, okay.
Yeah, great. So, os gnewch chi, just fel hyn, so just byw, just dod.
So, like to direct, would that just be cover? Or,
oh, right, okay, yeah.
So would she class it as a... okay.
Possibly.
Oh, with it, okay. Fel dych chi'n gwybod, as you know, dwi'n dod, Latgonia, which is near America originally.
I live. I know Rhif.
So, byw. Yn Abereiron nawr, dim yn bell yn ôl. Far from the sea.
Dwi'n siarad.
Siarad. Da iawn. Cymraeg a Sbaeneg, of course.
Deall.
Portugueg. O tipyn bach. Dwi'n... Gallu. Gallu is able. I swear, no, okay.
Gwahodd.
W-G-W-A-H-O-D. Gwahodd, to invite.
Yes, you're good. Ffilmio.
To film.
Redeg.
To run.
Gweithio.
To work.
Hoffi.
To like.
Helpu. Helpy.
To help.
Whee! I have left that out. Now that's this one. I couldn't read my writing. So. Achab.
Where is it?
I see it on here and I can read it a bit better.
I'll wait till Lucy's back. Oh no, do you want to carry on with doing that first and then and then we'll test you, yeah?
All right, no, in fact, test me so I can wait for her to go through it.
Credu.
To believe.
Gwbod.
As you all know, no.
Defnyddio.
Choose.
Dod.
From to come.
Siarad.
Speak.
Dyfhau.
Leave high is... Oh, I always forget this one. It is... Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I thought that's weird. To release.
You didn't recognise my song, did you?
No.
Please, me.
Gweld.
See.
Deall.
Understand.
Siarad.
Talk.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio, to use.
This is way too easy for you, mate. To see.
Gweld.
To release.
Rehive.
Prepare.
To prepare is...
Always, if you ever get a pet parrot, okay, you always have to prepare them to speak. So paratoi.
Baratoi, yeah.
Da iawn.
Da iawn. How about from Saesneg and Gymraeg?
Saesneg Gymraeg. Da iawn.
Okay. To come.
Dod.
To know.
Gwbod.
To help.
Helpu.
To like.
To like.
Nice, absolutely. Nice
To like. Oh. What gone? What is it?
Okay. Clue. What would you say if I like coffee?
Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Work.
Gweithio.
To live.
Byw.
To talk.
Siarad.
To be able to.
Gellu.
To run.
Redeg.
To film.
Ffilmio.
To stay.
Aros.
To understand.
Gwbod.
So there must be one left because there's got to be a verb in every sentence. The shortest sentence in the Bible is Jesus wept. So what's the verb in there?
To wept. To wept.
Yeah.
To Jesus. To wept. Wept is the word.
To Jesus.
To Jesus.
Can I do Jesus?
It was a 50-50. I wasn't going to phone a friend.
But it doesn't make it a sentence unless it's got a verb in it.
So is there a sentence in the world without a verb in it?
Nah, because it's not a proper sentence then. But you can have Jesus wept. Go on, try and say a sentence with a verb. You'd have to just go... Go on, try and say something. Try and say something. Say anything. And I'll tell you what. Just talk off the top.
Orange carrot.
That's not a sentence.
Orange carrot. Sliced.
To slice.
Sliced.
Sliced, okay. But that's still not a sentence, is it? If you said to me...
An orange carrot sliced.
And what do you want to do with it?
Well, no. I'm defying gravity here. There's apparently no sentence in the world that you can say without a verb in it.
Yeah.
And I said, an orange carrot sliced.
But it's not a proper sentence, is
What
it?
do you want to do with it?
So as a full stop, a sentence. And so can a comma be the start of a sentence?
Well, you could have a comma there. You could have an orange carrot sliced comma, and then go on.
An orange carrot sliced.
But you're still going to want to do something with it, isn't it? You still, like...
In the blue sky.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what,
But sliced is to slice. That is, there's your verb. It's
Well,
to
no,
slice.
he's okay. He's just a
Slice
past
that.
participle.
It's the actual
You're all
word.
right, you're all right.
An orange carrot sliced in the
blue sky. What about it?
Oh, this is hard.
Alfie, fel bych chi adre'n gwybod, just so that you at home know, lle mae'r ferf yn y frawddeg yna, where's the verb?
Sliced. Wedi sleisio.
Iawn, Alfie? Right. Oedden ni gyd yn dechrau mynd dipyn bach yn wallgo. We were all starting to lose our minds. Felly, be well na chydig o waith ar Llafariaid. Bit of work on the vowels. Vowels in Welsh, iawn? Dyn ni'n mynd i ymarfer dipyn bach.
Actually, pa.
Oh no, hang on, North Walian. South Walian. Give me a little action when we do it. So we're going to go, yn gyflym, iawn. A, e, I, o, I, w, O'r top i'r gwaelod, iawn. A, e, I, o, I, o. A, e, I, o, I, o. A, e, I, o, I, o. Da, e, I, o, I, o. Da iawn. Oh, nothing like a bit of vowel movement on a Sunday afternoon. Egwyl? Egwyl.